Welcome, in front of me is Apple Watch Ultra 3, and in this video I will show you how to change vibration intensity on this watch. First of all, press the digital crown to open the list of all applications. Let me enter the passcode first. Then press the digital crown, and on the list of all applications you have to find settings, and opens the settings menu, and in the settings menu you're gonna have to find sound and haptics settings. Once you find them, open them, and then scroll down until you find haptics. Tap on this feature, and now you can change haptics between default and prominent, and this way you can change the vibration intensity. So the prominent is the vibration with the higher intensity, and the default is the lower one. And once you leave this menu, the settings will be applied. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.